Hello, do you want to make your computer or your laptop text size more bigger? Then watch this video. Today I'm going to show you how to change or make the computer or laptop text size more bigger on Windows 10. So let's start it. First, go to your Power Start button and click on Setting. Then click on Ease of Access. And you can change your computer or your laptop text size here. Okay, I will let you see. For example, I increase my laptop text size from 100% to 120%, then click Apply. As you can see in the video, now my laptop text size is bigger than before. It's very simple. But if you have a 4K monitor or 2K monitor, then the default text size should be a little bit small. So you can come here to change your computer or your laptop text size here. Okay, thanks for watching. And if you like this video, then make sure you click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. See you very soon. Bye for now.